stick and move, 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 yeah. I'm always chasing my cheese, I'm always chasing my dreams, I'm grinding. Something like Sonic for the gold. Niggas really moving too slow, they tired. All I gotta do is believe. Watch shit come as I breathe, no trying. Bitch, I gotta stay on my toes. I can let you slow my roll, you tried it. Stick and move, 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 stick and move.
Yo, Video fam, you know what I'm saying? It's your brother D Keys up in the building. And here with Melly, my wonderful baby girl, and China Maria. China Maria. Okay, so we are here today for our first video of taco truck reviews. So what we doing is I'm going around Houston, possibly Texas, possibly America, to try to see who has the best burritos in the motherfucking land of the free, the home of the brave. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm trying to say. So we're gonna try to see who got the best tacos too. You know what I'm saying? They like tacos. I want to see who got the best burritos because I'm a burrito fanatic. You feel me? So, all right, here we go.
Okay, these tacos. This is your burrito.
This one comes from a taco truck on 45 and Airport. I'm gonna put the picture of it right here because I can't exactly remember the name of it. I'm not too good at Spanish, so that's gonna be another thing I'm gonna be trying to do is learn Spanish while I'm learning and finding out who got the best of burritos.
I can help him.
Just because your name is Maria.
Mix.
So I got a burrito.
And I got some tacos.
She has a chicken taco with flour. And she has a corn taco with beef. Okay, so I can say now that I like my burritos to be cut in half already. Some of them do, some of them don't. So they didn't.
And I like to prep my tacos with Verde sauce and some limes.
I already got some.
Oh, you gonna grab the grab the blade, y'all. That's how you know that's how I know a girl crazy, bro. All right.
Ooh. So y'all,
put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. You know it tastes good to me. You don't know where that come from? You lost all your black points.
Right.
Thank you, baby. I don't need no lime. I don't like lime on my burritos.
I love lime on my burritos.
All right. So we're gonna try the burrito first with the green sauce. I'm team green sauce. I don't know about y'all, but I don't really like red sauce. You know, I'm all salsa verde around here.
Team green sauce.
Team green sauce, salsa verde. You know what I'm saying? So, but we're gonna try the red sauce too. We're gonna see what the red sauce is.
In the next video, so stay tuned.
No, we're gonna try the red sauce on this one. We're gonna try to see with everyone if the red sauce, if their red sauce is good, they might win us over.
Right. Might
just have to go buy just red sauce from.
Right. Hold on, man.
They're so slippery.
It's good.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Season really good, and my biggest thing is how well do you season your meat and how good do you season your meat. That's what she said. So, this is good. The green sauce is good. Got a lot of heat, a lot of spice to it. Okay.
I think it's Mel's turn.
Alright, let's try it.
DK's approved. It's good?
Mm-hmm. It's real good.
Let me know how it tastes.
The flavor is delicious.
Delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
Delicioso. Good job.
Alright, your turn.
Alright. So I'm really big on how the sauce, how it's seasoned, everything. And me being part Hispanic, I'm real big on how they cook their food. So let's see.
Okay, which one is yours? Which one is yours?
This one. That's yours.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, that's yours.
Yeah, this slaps.
Slaps. SCHL.
Slap. It is so flavorful. The green sauce is amazing.
Okay. My bad. My bad, y'all. I forgot to try the red sauce.
Oh man.
I was so good. This burrito is good.
Okay. So, let me start.
Okay. I'm gonna get red.
The king is first.
The king. Black is king. Bottoms up. Nah.
Wow.
Why do that?
What's wrong with you?
Don't put all of it. I gotta put some on mine. Let me see. Alright. Let me try it on myself.
It's hotter?
It's hotter than the green sauce?
No, I still feel a little face from pointing at my mouth.
Don't do this.
Cut it off!
Don't do this shit. Alright, let me try.
Alright,
I really
let me try
don't eat the red
mine.
sauce neither, so.
Okay. You got a good little taste to it.
3, 2, 1.
It's an all honest review, but I swear to God.
Right.
Trust me, if it was nasty, she gonna say it now. I'm gonna be like, you don't see my face, I'm like.
That red sauce on you.
I'm like, this ain't it. I don't like it.
How do y'all respectfully tell somebody their food is nasty without saying it when you at their house?
You throw the plate in the trash upside down.
What? Just fold that bitch.
Be like, yeah, I'm done. Put the napkin over the plate. Alright.
Try to hide the food that you didn't eat.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even pour that much red sauce on mine.
And if y'all ain't know, you know what I'm saying, we all part of the Ciabatta fam. You feel me? So you feel what I'm saying? If you want to get some Ciabatta merch, you know what I'm saying, from D Keys, you can definitely head over to CiabattaClothing.com. And look, we got children's shirts. We have adult hats, adult shirts. We got a new line of some wonderful live stuff coming out for fall and winter. So y'all stay tuned, man. Follow us.
Gang, gang, gang.
Gang squad. Alright, thank y'all for tuning in, man. Once again, I'm D Keys. You can follow me at Spiritual Pusher Man on Instagram, D Keys on Facebook. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your Instagram is, China Man.
Alright, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, China, CHINA _Maria, MARIA __, and on Facebook, China Dennis.
And y'all can follow me on TikTok. I have like 4 different pages.
Well, tell them one, baby. Let them know one.
So, one is my it's on my phone.
What's your name on that?
It's Bad Kid Mel.
Okay, so y'all follow her, Bad Kid Mel, on TikTok before Donald Trump shut it down.
September 15th, I'm so mad.
So, yeah. Alright, y'all. Peace and blessings. We finna go enjoy our food. As far as the review, as y'all can see, the shit slaps. Definitely, y'all need to go try them out, man. Definitely. Oh, yeah, the ladies up there were... Also, one thing that I have to say is that I'm real big on is service, and they were really sweet. They were really understanding. They were really nice. The mama was so funny, like she had me laughing the whole time, and I enjoy that. I like to have a good time while I'm ordering my food because that goes into the experience.
Oh, also, one thing that I like about them is they wrap their limes. Some taco trucks we've been to, they just throw the limes in the bag, don't give us enough limes. So that's one thing I absolutely love. Like, they wrap up their limes, they give us enough more, if anything, and I love limes, so.
One time they only gave us 1 lime.
Right, literally, they only gave us like 1 lime.
But 8 tacos!
Right.
But alright, fam. Peace and blessings. Love y'all.
Peace out.
And we out.